Hello, respected advocates and law graduates. I am going to share a job notification for the advocates from Employees Provident Fund Organization, Ministry of Labor and Employment, Government of India. Empowerment of advocates. Please watch this video for all the details. Last day to submit, age limit, qualification, experience required, and other details, and how to apply. Please subscribe to this channel. We make daily videos on job notification for the advocates, so this will help you to get all the job notification information in 1 or 2 minutes instead of reading 10 to 20 page notification. Employment Provident Fund Organization, which is located in Hyderabad, has given notification for empowerment of advocates for Telangana zone for representing the cases of EPFO in Telangana High Court, CGIT, NCLT, and Administrative Tribunal, Consumer Forum, state level, district level. So, EPFO defends its cases through its panel advocates. It is supremely important that legal cases of EPFO are properly defended. In order to defend the cases properly, it is necessary to have good panel advocates capable of presenting the cases in effective manner before the courts. The advocate should have an office space where the empowerment is sought. The advocate should have adequate infrastructure in terms of accessible office, chamber, library, manpower, etc., which shall be considered at all times. The advocate should have excellent communication skills. The applications of the advocate should be shortlisted, so on such basis as may be decided by EPFO. The shortlisted advocates will be called for the interview. The eligibility criteria: the advocate should have bachelor degree in law from recognized university. Advocate should have enrolled or registered as advocate with Bar Council. For Supreme Court, the advocate should be registered as advocates on record. Advocates are required to have minimal professional court practice of 7 years for High Court, 10 years for NCLT, NCLAT or Supreme Court. Tenure of panel: it is for 3 years. The size of panel, it's for Supreme Court is 15 to 20 advocates. It's 50 to 60 or minimum 5 advocates based on the forum you are representing. The payment of the fees: the fee paid to advocates shall be such as prescribed by EPFO. EPFO shall have the right in exceptional cases to approve payment of a higher fee than the fee mentioned in the rules. No retirement fee shall be paid to an panel advocate merely because such advocate has been empaneled. Right to private practice and restrictions: an advocate shall have right to practice private, so he can take his own cases and practice along with these cases, which should not interfere with the conflict with the EPFO cases. So you should not be taking up a case which are against the EPFO interest. So these are the list of documents which need to be submitted for this application. The advocate will be required to furnish such documents along with application as prescribed, that is copy of law degree or other qualifications, copy of registration with Bar Council, ID card issued by Bar Council, ID proof, copies of 10 judgments where advocate has appeared as pleader, copies of empanelment letter issued by the authorities or in favor of advocate, resume with brief profile of experience, background, education, list of clients, list of cases dealt with, 2 recent passport size photos, copy of income tax for last 2 years. So while sending your application form on an envelope, please mention as application for the empanelment of advocate for High Court of Telangana, CGIT, NCLT, CAT or district level. So you can apply for multiple things. They have 4 to 5. You can send your application for each category if you are interested in. So last day to apply is 22nd December 2022. So this is application format which you need to fill. So you have to put in your name in block letters, father name, code for which you are applied, your father name, your name, date of birth, age, nationality, marital status, address and phone number, permanent address, office address, bar council enrollment number, mobile number, email ID. If you have any relation to EPFO, you have to mention that, and your marks from 10th, inter, graduation, LLB, LLM, PG, if any other things. If you have worked with any government organization, you have to mention that, and you have to, if you have worked as legal researcher for any judge, you have to mention those things. If one or more advocates are associated as junior with you, so you have to mention your junior advocate details, infrastructure details, where your office, and if you have office clerks, steno, typist, and support staff, please mention that. And number of cases you have handled in various courts for last 5 years. And you have to mention the case wise for each Supreme Court, High Court, and other things. And your PAN card number, Aadhaar card number, bank details, and your financial statements for last 2 years should be mentioned here, and other details. And these are documents that need to be attached with this application format, and you have to sign, and your enrollment number, mobile number, and put the date and place, and send this file to the EPFO address given above. Thanks for watching till the end.